Hello coders, in today's video we are going to solve the 19th problem of famous LeetCode SQL 50 playlist. Today's problem is queries quality and percentage. Now let's understand the table schema. In this table we have 4 columns: the query name, result, position and rating, where the position value ranges from 1 to 500 and rating columns value ranges from 1 to 5. Here we have two entities to be calculated. One is quality. To calculate the quality of a query, the formula is the average of the ratio between the query rating and its position. And we also have to define the poor query percentage, where it is the percentage of all the queries with the rating less than 3. Here we are going to write a solution to find each query name, where with the quality and a poor query percentage, where both the quality and the poor quality percentage should be rounded to 2 decimal places, and the result table can be of any order. So let's understand with this example. Here we have two different query names, which is dog and cat, where the result have different types of dog names and different types of cat names, and where in dog we have 3 types of dog with the positions 1, 2 and 200 with the rating 5, 5 and 1. So to calculate the quality of a dog, we are taking the average. We are taking the average of the position and the rating. We are taking average of the ratio between the position and the rating. So to calculate, firstly we will calculate the ratio. To calculate the ratio, they have asked to calculate the ratio between rating and its position. So we will divide rating with its position. We will divide rating with its position, like 5 by 1, 5 by 2 and 1 by 200. These are the method to calculate the ratio, and you have to find the average of it. So since we have 3 dogs here, we will divide by 3 to the sum of the average, which gives us 2.50. To calculate the queries with poor query percentage, it is very simple. Like we'll look into the rating. Look into the rating of the dogs, where to explain it simply, we have 3 dogs with the rating of 5, 5 and 1. Out of these 3 dogs, only the third dog, mule's dog, rating is only less than 2. So the percentage calculation would be 1 by 3 multiplied by 100, which gives us 33.33. Oh, that's very simple. Like the poor query percentage calculation is very simple, and I think the problem is very clear to you. Now let's start with the coding part. Select a query name, comma, the average of the ratio of the rating to its position. This average value will be rounded off till 2 decimal places. So we are just rounding it off. This value we will call as quality of a query name. Quality of a query name. And then to calculate the query with poor query percentage, we will sum up the rating whose value is less than 2, if I'm not wrong, less than 2, right? Sorry, less than 3. If it's less than 3, we'll call them as poor query. So we are going to calculate the sum of all the ratings whose value is less than 3 divided by the count of all multiplied by 100. This so this value we are going to round it off. Okay, round the sum of the value divided by the count of all divided and round it up to 2 decimal places, and we call this as poor query percentage. Poor query percentage from queries table, and we are going to group by query name. The code is accepted. Let's try to submit it. The code is accepted. Thank you for watching.